The scarlet ibis, Eudocimus ruber, is a strikingly beautiful and unique bird native to the Americas, particularly found in the coastal regions of South America and the Caribbean. Its name is derived from its brilliant, scarlet-colored plumage, making it one of the most visually captivating birds in the avian world. This vibrant hue results from the consumption of carotenoid-rich foods, such as small crustaceans and insects, in the ibis's diet. The scarlet ibis is a medium-sized wading bird with a long, slender, and curved bill that is perfectly adapted for probing the muddy shallows in search of food. Its neck and legs are equally elongated, allowing it to gracefully stride through the marshlands and swamps, where it primarily resides. The bird's wingspan is notable, showcasing a contrast of deep red and black in its flight feathers, which complements its overall appearance. During the breeding season, which typically occurs during the wet season, the scarlet ibis forms large nesting colonies in mangroves or on small islands. These colonies can consist of hundreds or even thousands of individuals, creating a breathtaking spectacle of crimson plumage against the lush greenery. The ibises construct relatively simple nests made of twigs and leaves, often situated in trees or shrubs near water sources. Both males and females participate in nest building and take turns incubating the eggs. One of the most fascinating aspects of the scarlet ibis is its behavior during courtship displays. To attract a mate, the male performs a mesmerizing dance that involves elaborate wing movements, bobbing its head, and vocalizing with a series of guttural calls. Once a pair forms a bond, they engage in mutual grooming as a means of reinforcing their bond and fostering their relationship. However, despite their captivating beauty and fascinating behaviors, scarlet ibises face several challenges in their natural habitats. Human activities such as habitat destruction, pollution, and hunting have significantly impacted their populations. Additionally, climate change and sea level rise pose threats to their breeding grounds, disrupting the delicate ecological balance they depend on. In some regions, conservation efforts have been initiated to protect the scarlet ibis and their habitats. Strict regulations on hunting, establishment of protected areas, and public awareness campaigns have played a crucial role in raising awareness about the bird's conservation status. The scarlet ibis stands as a symbol of both beauty and fragility, serving as a reminder of the importance